Hi Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your love reading, you versus them, okay? And we will see what are the universe messages for you and your person today. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Scorpios. Let's see. Last shuffle. So at the back of the deck, it's Eight of Cups again with the Lovers. So this is the energy between you and them, an energy where you have to leave someone whom you love. The Lover with the Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups is always about not leaving the situation. It can be leaving the situation, but leaving a place, because it involves emotions as well with the Eight of Cups. So it means that when you are in love and when you just have to leave someone, so that is the energy over here. So leaving the love of your life. So that is something with the Eight of Cups over here with the Lovers. So that is the energy between both of you. There's a strong connection, a very, very strong connection with this person. Might be a Gemini, but it is really, really strong. But because of some circumstances, you just have to leave someone and you have to start a new life sometimes. So that is what it is. All right, so let's see your feelings for your person. Three of Wands. This is like you have feelings, but instead of expressing your feelings right now, you are more into waiting for the other person to come towards you. So this is how you are feeling. You are not saying anything, you are not talking to this person, but yes, you are waiting for them to talk to you, to come to you, to put a message to you. So this is what you are wanting right now. Yeah, the feelings of your person towards you, the Emperor. So they are really they are very dominating, I would say. But more than dominating, they have a feeling that that fatherly feeling, like not expressing whatever you are feeling. But mind you, this Emperor is really, he has feelings inside, but he doesn't show his feelings ever. Yes, so this is what your person is feeling towards you. They are not ready to show any feelings. They are more into that I'm the boss, I'm this, I'm that, and whatever I'm saying, it will be like this. So they are showing more dominancy. They are showing more of their bad nature right now. They are more showing their outward strict nature, but it's not exactly like this how it seems. With the World card as a blockage over here, this is a cycle. So this person is someone very important to you, okay? This is, you have a karmic bond with this person, with the World, which I'm getting, the feelings which I'm actually getting for you Scorpions. It's like you have a really, a big whatever you say, karmic cycle. When you might be past life lovers as well. So this is that feeling where you are just leaving someone, then again coming and meeting this person again in your life, then leaving them, then again. So this is that kind of a game which is actually getting played, not by you but by the universe. They are playing some kind of a game with you, I'm thinking. Yeah, that is what the feeling is. Let's clarify. Let's see what is this Three of Wands from your feelings, from your side. Seven of Cups. Yeah. So this is not about exploring more options. Like, you are not looking towards other people right now. It's more about other opportunities, other things. Might be materialistic, might be job related things, might be, with the Ten of Cups. So this is something like, you know that this is the person. Somewhere deep down, you know that this is the person, and you are actually waiting for them to come towards you. But you know how you are portraying. You are portraying that you have many options in front of you. You are telling that, you know, you are actually making this person feel that you don't like them anymore. So you are being the one who is uh, who is busy somewhere else, who is like, I don't care about you anymore. So you are being like that. You are being a little neglecting, but same deep down, you are loving the way, if they are actually approaching you, if they're trying to approach you, if they're just sending you a message, it's like a smile coming at your face, and you are like, wow, this person actually wants me again. But this is how you are showing that you are busy. You are, one more thing which I'm actually getting, Scorpions, is that you might be, some of you might be really confused right now with this person. Not because you have someone else in life, but it's more about, you have something else, some different things in life. You have a family to take care of, you have your job, you have other expensive, your bills are there. So it's like you have to deal with many things right now. So a lot of responsibilities are actually giving you trouble for this relationship to handle right now. Okay, so that is why this might be a reason for some of you. Let's see why the Emperor is here. You might be dealing with an Aries over here. What else do we have? Let's see. For the Emperor, Seven of Swords. Okay. What else? Knight of Swords. Okay, so they're carrying swords a lot. So this might be an air person with whom you are dealing with. So this is the person who is actually showing the bad face. Their feelings towards you is more of a deception feeling. With the Emperor, again, I would say that there are feelings somewhere, but I don't know why the Seven of Swords is not actually giving me a good feeling with the Emperor right now. It's more about that, they really try to be sneaky. They would really try sometimes to be, to ignore you, to just show that I'm not there anymore in your life. With the Knight of Swords as well, they are like, on and off kind of people. They're coming then leaving, then coming then leaving. They're showing the hard side, they're showing the bad side to you. They had feelings because this bonding is really strong, but it's like somebody over here is actually, more into that, why should I, I'm the boss. Because with the Emperor, it's like, why should I say I love you? Why should I express my love feelings? It should be the Scorpio who should actually, express the feelings, because Scorpio, as the water sign, they love to express the feelings, but not all the time, because they also have this self-respect, right? So that is why their ego is coming up, and they're really being sneaky. They really want attention, and that is why they're coming and leaving the situation again and again. Let's see the World over here. What do we have with the World? The Lovers and the Two of Pentacles. See, so with the Two of Pentacles and Lovers, again the same thing. The blockage over here is the World with the Two of Pentacles and the Lovers. It's like there's a proper love in this connection, but when you are actually, you are in a karmic bond, you are in a karmic cycle with a person, it's really hard. It's like, you just come and go. That is the situation in which you are in. You are moving in cycles with this person. So that is why it's like this person is coming and then this person is leaving. So what shall I do? whether I should explore more options right now, or whether I should wait for this person. What shall I do? I love this person, but this person is not showing any signs of love towards me. They come, they go, they say something, and then nothing. Okay, that is why this thing is really, you're not really happy with the situation. Two of Pentacles in your actions, the actions which you are going to take. You are very busy to take any actions right now. I don't feel that you are going to take any actions, because you are already waiting for them to come towards you now, because you have already given everything, your feelings, whatever was needed to be expressed, you have given it all. Ten of Swords, your actions. Five of Pentacles, your actions with the High Priestess. You know that this person, the way this person is playing games with you, they are not going to last so much. So that is why you are more into, let's end this thing, let's move on in different directions, in our own directions, in our own lives, and let's just end this connection. So that is what you are wanting. But again, this person comes to you, they say something, and then they vanish. And then you start thinking, like, what is happening? I know the truth that this person is just playing games, but why they are actually saying that they love me? Then why do they actually care for me sometimes? Why is it happening? If they really want to go, then they can just leave like that right now, right? Okay, so let's see what the Chariot is over here in their actions. Okay, Chariot with the Four of Swords, a very contradictory energy. Let's see what else. Ace of Cups. Yeah, they're going to leave again. They're going to leave. They are really running away, I would say. They're really fast. Are they horse riders? Okay, so they just love to ride on a horse. They come towards you riding on a horse, and they say something, then they vanish away. But now there is a time which is coming up in your life, I'm seeing, where they are actually going to, when you are going to say that it's ended, whenever, if this has already happened, so they are in that, that rest time, that peace time which they are actually taking, that breakup moment when you actually finally say to someone that we are breaking up with each other. That time they're actually taking, and they are really feeling bad, and they really want to start a new life with you. So if no contact is going on, so that is their healing time which is going on for them. Okay, Scorpions, so just be patient. You don't have to be always either yes or no right now, right here. So if they are taking some time, it's for good, because Ace of Cups is really giving me a good energy over here. Five of Wands as the final outcome. The Hanged Man. Okay, what else do we have? Seven of Wands. Okay, so some things really, when you have to start a very beautiful connection, so with love there's a lot of hatred as well, which has to be there, then only the love remains. So this is what is actually going on. It's like that kind of a conflict between you both, where this person is actually taking his or her stand, Scorpio and your person, you both are taking your own stand. You are saying that you are right, and they are saying that they are right. And that is why the Hanged Man is over here, which actually is telling me that when these kind of conflicts come, they really need to come sometimes, because sometimes you actually start feeling that whatever the conversations you never had before, now at least via just talking, via just fighting with each other, at least those problems are coming up. So you listen to each other, then again there will be a silent moment for both of you for some time, because you both are actually taking some time. It's not like you both don't like each other, don't love each other. It's more about the feelings, the communication had never happened before. That is why it's really needed right now, if it is happening with any of you. Alright, so that's all from my side, Scorpios. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.